You know what I love about that is the badge, right? Because a policeman has a badge, and he has authority.
That it gives it some integrity, and it's got some, I guess you're saying authority, but also the history.
Yeah, I love that.
I added the since set 1973. We don't have to do that, but
Right.
I know we talked about that. But it
Yeah.
gives it some history.
I mean, my dad technically has Huffman Heating and Air Conditioning. I started working with him when I was 12.
Maybe,
That was like 1988.
maybe you say
And
9+ experience.
or 25 years plus experience, 2 generations. You know, we've been doing it a minute.